Europa looks cold, silent, and lifeless. A frozen moon orbiting far from the warmth of the sun, locked in the gravity of Jupiter. From a distance, it seems like just another icy world. But beneath its frozen surface, Europa may be hiding something extraordinary. An ocean. A deep, global ocean of liquid water beneath a thick shell of ice. And where there is liquid water, one question always follows. Could there be life? Europa is not just one of Jupiter's moons. It may be one of the most important places in the solar system in the search for alien life. Europa is one of the 4 large Galilean moons of Jupiter, discovered by Galileo in 1610. It is slightly smaller than Earth's moon, but what makes it special is not its size. It is its surface. Europa is covered in water ice. Its bright exterior is crossed by long, dark cracks and streaks, giving it one of the most recognizable surfaces in the solar system. Unlike rocky planets, Europa is a world of ice and hidden depth. It has no forests, no deserts, no visible oceans. But beneath that frozen shell may be more liquid water than all the oceans on Earth combined. That possibility alone makes Europa one of the most fascinating worlds we know. Scientists believe Europa hides a vast ocean beneath its icy crust. This ocean is not exposed to the surface like the oceans on Earth. It is sealed under a layer of ice that may be many kilometers thick. So how do we know it might be there? The answer comes from multiple clues. Europa's surface is young and fractured, which suggests the ice may be moving and reshaping over time. Its interaction with Jupiter's magnetic field also hints at a conductive layer below the surface, something consistent with a salty liquid ocean. In other words, Europa may not be frozen solid at all. It may be a water world trapped under ice, a hidden ocean moon. And that changes everything. On Earth, wherever we find liquid water, we find life. That does not mean Europa definitely has life, but it does mean Europa has one of the key ingredients that life as we know it needs: water. And maybe more than that. Scientists think Europa may also have the chemistry and energy needed to support simple life. If the ocean touches rock deep below the ice, chemical reactions could occur there. And if Europa's interior is heated by Jupiter's gravity, that energy could help keep the ocean liquid and active. This creates an incredible possibility. Beneath the frozen surface of Europa, there may be an environment where life could exist. Not cities, not animals, not anything from science fiction, but perhaps microscopic life in a dark alien ocean. Europa's surface is not smooth and simple. It is full of long cracks, broken ridges, and chaotic terrain. These features may be signs that the moon is active. Some scientists think material from below may sometimes move upward through the ice. Others believe the surface may interact, at least in some places, with the hidden ocean below. That matters, because if materials from the ocean can reach the surface, then a spacecraft may not need to drill all the way through the ice to learn something important. Europa may already be giving us clues. Its surface could be a frozen record of what is happening underneath. Every crack, every ridge, every broken field of ice may be part of the story of a hidden ocean world. Europa is so important that space agencies are preparing missions to study it more closely. The goal is not just to take pictures. The goal is to understand the moon's ice, ocean, chemistry, and potential habitability. Future missions will study the thickness of the ice, analyze the surface, and search for places where the hidden ocean may reveal itself. This is one of the most exciting parts of modern planetary science. Europa is no longer just a distant point of light. It is becoming a real destination, a world we want to understand. Because if there is even a small chance that life could exist beyond Earth, Europa may be one of the best places in the solar system to look. Europa is cold, distant, and covered in ice. At first glance, it looks silent and dead, but appearances can be deceiving. Beneath that frozen shell may be a vast hidden ocean, a dark world of water, pressure, chemistry, and mystery. We do not yet know whether Europa is alive, but we do know this. It is one of the most promising places to search. A moon that may hide more water than Earth. A world shaped by ice and gravity. A place where the ingredients for life may exist far from the sun. Europa reminds us that the most important discoveries in space may not be on the surface. They may be hidden below it. And somewhere beneath the ice of this distant moon, one of the greatest secrets in the solar system may still be waiting.